Hi, it's Melissa with Finale Inventory. In this short video, I'll walk you through the basic pick method using the barcode scanner. In Finale, with your sales order in committed status, print the sales order with barcode. On your scanner, make sure that we go ahead and sync. All right, so we're going to select option 2 to pick, option 1 for basic pick, and option 1 for scan every item. From here, go ahead and scan your sales order number. We'll be directed around the warehouse in alphanumeric order. So I'm starting in A1, and I have my BP2 with a quantity of 1. So I'll go ahead and scan that barcode. And BP3, still in A1. Now we'll go to sublocation A2. So we'll scan the A2 sublocation barcode. So now that I'm at A2, I have a quantity of 2 for my next product. You can either scan each barcode twice or use this up arrow to get to the quantity box. Hit the keyboard button, scan your barcode, and type in quantity 2. Use the down arrow to hide the quantity box and click keyboard again to hide the keyboard, and the order's done. So let's go back, sync this back to Finale. We're going to sync one operation. And if we go back into Finale and refresh the page, my order is now fully packed and ready to ship. If you have any questions or need anything, please email us at service@finaleinventory.com. Thanks.